those pigs, Daryl? Look at the piggies. Here we go, state 37. This just to knock out Virginia, although it's not ideal. At least there's something right here. Move on to the next. Daryl. Well, I just knocked out Virginia. It was pretty groveling. 1 to 2 foot, maybe a 3-footer occasionally. Able to do a drop knee reverse 360 and a couple belly spinners. Nothing to write home about, but I'm gonna check that state out. Boogie 50. Thanks for the support. Daryl! Daryl! Parking lot. Gary's with me. He's just in his little bed under mine. Me and him have a bunk bed. What's up, my little buddy? We're about 3 weeks in. It's the longest trip I've been on by myself. Just got some pretty fun waves in Maryland. J. Real's home break. Pretty fun, but 2 to 3 foot. Can't really always get what you want. But 2 to 3 foot offshore barrels is good for me. Thanks for the...
You got it, man.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Learn to surf, dude. This is your man. Yep, epic. Thanks to this place for the water fill up. Thank you. Yeah.